Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about BDL recruitment of 2021. Please stick on to the end of this video so that you would not miss any of the criteria that the officials are looking for in their candidates, and you would also get lots of information regarding the recruitment.
Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Here are some basic details. The organization name is Bharat the Dynamics Limited. Post names are Project Engineer for Mechanical, Electronics, Computers, Civil, SAP ERP, Net or Network, HR, Finance and BD. For the total number of vacancies mentioned are 70. The starting date for application is 12th of March. The last date for applying is 31st of March. You can apply through online and the job location is opened across India. You can always check out the official website if you need further information. And moving on to the vacancies in particular for all of the posts. For project engineer under mechanical, there are 24 vacancies, 22 for electronics, and for electrical there is only 1 vacancy, same for computers stream as well. For civil there are 3, for SAP, ERP or networking section. For HR you have 7, for finance you have 4, for BD you have 4 vacancies respectively. The education requirements for each of the posts will be varying. So in particular for the post of a project engineer mechanical, the candidate have to have a first class 60% in BE or a BTech BSc Engineering, 4 years integrated ME or an MTech course or its equivalent from AICTE, which should be approved from the university or the institute or the board of education that the candidate whoever has studied for, and it also should be relevant field of study as well. For the project engineer under electronics, first class and 60% in BE or a BTech BSc Engineering, 4 years or integrated ME or an MTech course or its equivalent from AICTE, and also it should be approved from the institute or the university or the board of education along with the relevant field of discipline or the study of education. Moving on to the next post, which is project engineer electrical. It's the same as above, which is a first class 60% in BE or a BTech. As mentioned earlier, all of the required criteria that they are looking for is the same as of mentioned. And moving on to the next post, which is under the computer stream for civil, for SAP, ERP and network. All of these 3 branches have the same equivalent amount of the requirement or the criteria that the officials are looking for, which is a first class with 60% BE, BTech, BSc Engineering for 4 years, integrated ME or an MTech course on its equivalent from AICTE, and it should be approved from the university or the institute or the board of education that the candidate has studied in. And for the post of a project officer for HR, first class 60% in MBA, MSW, PG diploma of 2 years or its equivalent course in the HR section is preferred. Moving on, for the next post for finance, the candidate should have been passed in CA, ICWA or the course from AIMA, recognized institute or university, or its first class 60% in MBA finance or its equivalent course will be much preferable. For the project officer for BD, first class 60% in MBA, marketing or foreign trade, supply chain management will be preferred. And here is the age limit. The maximum age limit for the unreserved EWS categories is 28 years of age as dated, and the age relaxation is applied as per the norms. The pay scale details are as follows. Candidates will be getting a pay or consolidated a remuneration of rupees 30,000 to 33,000 or 36,000 and 39,000 respectively as per the contract year. And here is the application fees. The candidates belonging to UR, OBC, EWS candidates have to pay the application fees of rupees 300. SC, ST, PWD candidates are exempted to pay any sort of payment for the application, so it is for free. Here is the weightage of the marks or the selection process that they are going to look in for. The aggregate marks or the percentage which they have secured in the qualification of the relevant field of study or discipline. For each of the percentage of the qualification, which will be allocation of 1 mark, and however the maximum marks will be allocated for 75 only, and that is for the weightage of the total marks for this particular criteria is 75, and 10 marks for the relevant post-qualification experience. The allocation of marks are as follows. For 1 year, 3 marks will be allotted. For 2 years, 2 marks will be allotted, and for 3 years or more, it is 10 marks will be allotted. So aggregate it is 10 marks. So interview, the last round will be for 15 marks. In total, the candidate will be evaluated for 100 marks. Here is a link of how to apply. The same link will be headed down even in the description, so don't forget to check it out. Or head over to Google and search for BDL Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now. Click on the Freshers Now website and get all of the information at one place. Furthermore, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications for us to answer, place your questions in the comment section and we will answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Freshers Now, and thank you for watching.